tights again. This time in there is Jamison Gears. Play action. Man, wide open over the middle, but instead they throw to another wide open guy on the far side. Kaliakmanis has Jackson. Minnesota first and goal from the 10. Kaliakmanis on play action waits into the end zone all alone. Touchdown. Behind the quarterback Kaliakmanis, and they just push the whole stack into the end zone. Now it's a touchdown. Chris wants to throw. Pressure coming. He throws it, and it's intercepted. He threw it right to Jack Henderson. His second interception of the season. Manis snap to Athan. It is a play action pass. They've got Jackson all alone at the 20,